Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sticker on Canva. Now let's get started. First, open your Canva apps, and after this, in here you can click on the logo. Sorry, can wait. Okay, in here at the top you can click and then and then write the logo this and search the logo, and after this in here you can choose the template logo that you want. In here I want to try to add this logo, so you just click on it, and then in here you can change the text and change the color. In here I want to try to change this text, so you just click on the text, okay, and click like this. Okay, I want to try to again, okay, like this. Okay, and now I want to try to edit this tag, so you just click on the text and click, and you can change. Okay, and after this in here you can change the color. Maybe I want to try to change this color to white. Okay, like this, and finish. After this in here you can save this logo, so you just click on this icon and then click okay, you can waiting until the process has been finished. And now you can open your gallery. Okay, open your gallery, and this logo has been saved to your point. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.